Hello everyone, it's Jaron with NCSI, and today I'm going to show you how to sideload a patch into your Neurons tenant. Here in my tenant, I have brought up my patch intelligence, and I did a search for a product that a lot of people would like to know how to sideload, and that is Java. I have Java 8 update 441 right here, and you can see I do need it installed on a few devices, so I'm going to click the update. This brings me into the advisory for Java 8, and you can see I have 4 different downloads. I have a Java development kit, 32 and 64-bit, and a Java runtime environment, 32 and 64. And you can see these are the 2 that I need. So I'm going to put a check in these checkboxes right here. And then I'm going to come up and hit the sideload button. All right, that brings us to the hopper. And here you can see the 2 patches that are required, the 64-bit and the 32-bit Java. I have taken the liberty of searching for the Java 8 download offline. This is important. We want it to be the offline installer, not the bootstrapper. So I'm going to click on this link, Java downloads for all operating systems, and that brings me to this window. You have 3 options here, a Windows Online, which is not the one that we want, Windows Offline 32, and Windows Offline 64. So these are the 2 that I'm going to download. Once these are downloaded, I can come back over to my sideload hopper and I can select the file. So this is the 64-bit. You can see the name JRE 8 update 441 Windows x64. And that should correlate exactly with what I found. Yep, the JRE 8 U441 Windows x64. That's going to upload the patch to my tenant and then begin the verification process where it hashes the file and goes through the file's metadata, verifying that it is indeed the file that we're looking for and not malware or the wrong file. I'll do the same here with my 32-bit. And we'll give those just a couple of minutes to finish verifying. All right, there we go. The files have been verified. I'm going to click Approve. And now they are listed in my sideloaded patches. All right, jumping back to the patch advisory, you can see the patches are now sideloaded and ready to go. I can now install them by any of the normal means, through patch intelligence, through endpoint vulnerability, or going to the computer itself and clicking on the patch and telling it to deploy like this. And, oh, look at this. This computer needs both of them. So I could select them and deploy the missing patches. And that is how you sideload. I hope this video has been informative for you. If it has, I would ask you to please like, subscribe, and click the little bell so you can be notified when a new video is published. We do release these on a semi-regular basis, around once a month when it comes to Neurons for UEM videos. And I hope to see you again soon. Have a great day.